What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable WhatsApp multi-device login. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your WhatsApp and then tap on settings and here select linking devices. Here you can see that there is already one device registered here. It's my Windows PC, and if I want to add one more device here, you can add here up to 4 different devices. And in order to add new device, I need to tap there on link a device button and confirm that action with my Face ID. And now I need to scan QR code. I need to launch WhatsApp web or WhatsApp application for PC or Mac, and then hover this camera on that QR code that is going to be appear in that application, and after that you confirm that it's you and you're gonna be able to use your WhatsApp on another device. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.